Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition. I know we're still working on the scales, which aren't as fun as learning an actual song, but I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to learn our scales. So today we're going to learn our F major scale and the D minor scale. Are you ready? Let's go! Just like our previous scale lessons, we're going to treat this one the same way. We're going to learn it note by note, just ascending, and then we'll learn it descending, and then ascending, descending, and then we'll move on to the D minor scale. All right, so this is our F major scale. Now, the F major scale only has one flat. That's B flat. All right, so the F major scale starts on the note F. So, to play the note F, we have thumb down, index, middle, ring, and on our right hand we have index and pinky, and it sounds like this. Go ahead and play the note F. Great job. Now, our next note is G, and all you do is take up that index finger. So, let's play F and then G. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Then our next note is A. And to play A, it's thumb, middle, index, and then pinky. So all we did is lift up that ring finger on the left hand. All right, so let's play F through A. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Next, we have B flat. And to play B flat, it's thumb, index, and then on our right hand, it's index and pinky. Let's play F all the way through B flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next note is C. And to play C, we have thumb off, and then it's index, and then on our right hand, it's pinky. All right, so now let's play F through C. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now we have the note D, and to play D, it's thumb, middle, ring, and then on our right hand, it's index, middle, and ring. Okay, now let's play F through D. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now the next one is E natural. And it's E natural because our key signature tells us that the key of F has one flat, which is B flat. So that means our E is natural. To play E natural, it's thumb down, middle, index, ring, and then on our right hand, it's index, middle, and pinky. Great. Now let's play F through E natural. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that leaves us with F. And the F has the same exact fingering, but it's an octave higher. Now remember, for the octave highers, we change things in the embouchure. So that means tightening up our embouchure a little bit to make the air go faster. So here, let me show you. So take a look here at my lips when playing F, low F, and then the octave F. Go ahead and take a moment to get your octave F. Great. We're now ready to play the F major scale all the way up. So let's do that. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now we know all the notes for going down. We're just going to play them backwards. So we'll still take this note by note, but I'm not going to give us the fingerings this time since we know the fingerings now. All right, so then we have F down to E natural. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, and then it's going to go down to D. So let's start F down to D. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our next note is C. So we'll go F to C. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now our next note is B flat. So F to B flat now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's A, so let's play F to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's G, so let's play F to G. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then lastly, we have the lower F. So let's play it all the way descending. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's play it all the way up and all the way down. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! So what makes it easier about the scales is that they all at least sound the same way. So you know when you're making a mistake because it's not going to sound like the other major scales we've done. And same thing with the minor scales. So that helps. All right, let's do it one more time with the music on the screen. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! Think you can do it from memory? Let's give it a try. I'm going to take away the music and we're going to try to just know it from memory. If you don't get it and you don't remember it, not a big deal. This is our first time learning. But I would like you to practice these until you do have them memorized. So let's just give it a try. If you get it, that's awesome. If you don't, you know what? We didn't waste anything. All we're doing is attempting. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. Whether you got it or not, awesome job. All right, ready to move on to the D minor scale? All right, so the D minor scale has the same amount of flats as the F major scale. That's why I'm teaching them hand in hand. It makes it a lot easier to know that way. I learned all the major scales first, then all the minor scales, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot harder that way. It would have made more sense to me to learn them hand in hand, so I know them better and I can tie in the keys. You know what I mean? All right, so we know that the D minor scale has the 1 flat, still B flat. Now, all our fingerings are exactly the same that we learned from the F major scale. We have no new fingerings. The only difference is now we're going to start on the note D. Well, I guess we could do this in different octaves even. We have the low D, which has the same fingering, well, almost the same fingering as the mid D. The only difference is we're going to take our index finger on and off. So let's learn it in this octave. Okay, so our first one is D. And this is the one where we have our index finger down. ahead and play the note D. If you're hitting the mid one, because you can still hit it with that finger down, you want to slow the air down. So open your embouchure up just a little bit. It's just like our exercise with the Fs, except for it's the same thing with the Ds. Okay, so let's take this one note by note as well. So we started with D. So now our next one is E, natural. So let's play the two notes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our next note is F. So let's play D to F. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our next note is G. So let's play D to G now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our next note is A. So now let's play D to A. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. Now we have B flat. So let's play D to B flat now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, now we have C. So let's play D to C now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves us with our D. Now this one, remember, this is when our index is up. Think you can do it all the way ascending? I know you can. All right, let's do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now let's do it descending. So we have D. Then C is next. So play with me, D to C. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have B flat. So let's do D to B flat now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next one is A. So let's do D to A now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. G is next, and that's what I just played. All right, so let's do D to G now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have F next. So let's do D to F now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. The next we have is E natural. So let's do D to E natural. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that leaves us with D. So let's go ahead and play it all the way descending. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. Now let's play it all the way up and then all the way down, shall we? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful, how'd you do? It kind of feels the same way as the F major scale just because it has the same key signature. Very helpful. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Think you can do it from memory? Let's give it a shot, shall we? Let's put the music aside and let's just go for it. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Whether you got it or not, I'm proud of you. Great job today. We're really working through our scales. We're gonna get them all, so just buckle in tight. We're going for a ride. Thanks for joining me today. Before I let you go, please hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button so you don't miss any of our lessons. Thanks for joining me, and until next time.